Welcome to the podcast of power of a quotient property of excellence.
Okay. I'm Molly, and I'm joined by my son Rafe, who is 8, but you're almost 9?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, so today we're going to be working with this property that states if I take the quotient A divided by B to the n power, n equals a to the n over b to the n. Okay, we're going to do an example to illustrate this property, and then we'll do another one that uses this property and another one. So we're going to get wild and crazy. All right, so we'll start out with the easy one. We'll do 2 divided by 3, 20 squared. And we've already worked through this problem before, so we'll probably do it. Okay? All right, so 2 thirds squared is going to be what if we write that out?
9.
Oh, well, I think you're jumping ahead a little bit. We got to do 2 thirds times 2 thirds, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have to, when you square something, it means you multiply it times itself twice. Okay, now on top, 2 times 2 is
4.
And on bottom, 3 times 3 is
9.
Okay, so that's where the 9 comes in. Okay, great. So now we're going to try this another way. So we're going to start from the property. So the property says you should distribute the power of 2 here and here. So we're really going to have 2 squared over what?
3 squared.
Okay. So when we do that, we'll get 4 ninths. Again, same thing, just using the property. Okay, now I'd like to do an example where we use the property, but we're going to use a variable. So we're going to do 2x over 3y, and I'm going to take the whole thing and square it. Okay? So using the property, I would say it's 2 squared times x squared. And then what on the bottom, Rafe?
3 squared times y squared.
Okay. Now, if I do that, I know that 2 squared is 4. X squared, do you know what that is?
Nothing.
Just x squared.
Yeah.
So we just have to write x squared again. And on the bottom, 3 squared is? 3 times 3?
9.
9. Yep. So you have to write 9, and then y squared, which is going to be y squared again. So we use the property, the power of a quotient property, to simplify. And we got our answer. This answer right here. All right. Well, that's the podcast. Say goodbye.